Erev Shabbos Kodesh Parshas Va'yeshev. This week we begin a whole new story, a new dream, a new beginning for the Jewish people, a new formation of the Bnei Yisrael. The family of Yaakov is going to leave Eretz Yisrael. They're going to leave the Holy Land, and they're going to become a new nation on Egyptian soil. In the Parsha we read that Yosef had two dreams. His first dream was about sheaves of wheat. And those sheaves of wheat bowed down to the one sheaf of Yosef. His second dream was about the stars, about the sun and the moon, and how they all bow down to Yosef. Indeed, as the story goes on, both dreams came true. Yosef's brothers bowed down to Yosef twice. The first time they bowed down to him because he had the wheat, he had the food. And that was what Yaakov and his son so desperately needed. They didn't even know they were bowing down to Yosef. All they knew was that he had the keys to the silo. But as the story progressed, they learned that they were standing before their brother Yosef, and they bowed down once again. But this time, as the dream went, Hashemesh v'hayareach mishtachavim li, they bowed down to me. It was actually much deeper than that, though. The first dream of Yosef was as earthly as you can get. It was wheat bowing to wheat. The second dream was as heavenly as can be. It was stars, sun, moon, bowing down to Yosef. When Yosef's brothers heard about their first dream, they accepted the fact that Yosef may well become the mashpir. He may become the supporter and the provider, the giver of livelihood, the giver of sustenance to the entire family. After all, Yosef was seen by them as a man of the world, close to the earth. But when they heard the second dream, when they heard the heavenly dream, they were all confounded. What does our brother Yosef have to do with the heavens? Earlier, Yosef's father, Yaakov, dreamt of a ladder. And that ladder connected the heaven and the earth. Yosef was that ladder. He would be the foot of the ladder, planted firmly in the earth, in the world, in the lowest part of the world, in Egypt. But his reach, like the ladder, would ascend all the way to the heavens. In Kabbalistic language, Yosef was Yesod. He connected the earth and the stars, the heaven and the earth. The Jewish mission is a unique one. We were created, all of us, to be part of this earth. We live responsibly, with honesty and integrity, and our actions are attached to a land. But our earthly actions, this is what we need to know, they shake up the whole heavens. What we do here changes the heavens, and what happens in the heavens shakes up the earth. The world is broken, but we can fix it by helping others, by doing mitzvos, by doing small acts of loving kindness, and by building Eretz Yisrael. We can shake up the heavens and thereby repair the earth. So let's do our part. I wish you all a wonderful, good Shabbos.